Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel, girl. I hope you guys are doing well. So we're gonna be reviewing Shiseido. I think that's the name, Shiseido. It's a Japanese brand, and I've been looking for this foundation all over the place. I finally found it in New York because I was in New York for the holidays, girl, and I finally found it there. So we're gonna try out this one. This is the Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing Foundation. It's also oil-free, SPF 30. Now I picked up the other one, which is the Skin Radiant Lifting. I will do that in another video. I want to try both of them to see which one that I like. So if this is your first time here, girl, what are you waiting on? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And to my OGs, thank you so much for sticking around. I really appreciate you guys. Girl, I'm so excited to try out this foundation. Now I did try it at the store. I got the shade Suede, which is 510. This look a little light now, girl. I tried it at the store and it looks really good. If you don't know, now you know that Sephora lights are like really bad. Anyway, we're still gonna try it out. This one I believe is a neutral undertone. I'll go online and I'll check it out for you guys. So this is a golden tone for deep skin. If you guys look there, it looks really red. It's very hydrating, long wearing. It's also a medium coverage. Formulation is liquid. It's normal. Skin type, normal, dry, combination, and oily skin. So I guess it's good for all skin type. If you guys are new here, I have dry skin. My skin is not good lately. I've been breaking out a lot. I drink a lot of water, but I think it's a brush that I told you guys. And look at this right here, girl. This is like the concealer that I have here. But look at this. Oh, girl. I have something to tell you guys. I was on my way to New York, minding my own business, okay? And I feel something right here. I was like, oh my gosh, I hope it's not a pimple. Because in high school, I used to have very bad acne, okay? I used to love bangs. Like, girl, all my photos, I have a bang. Because that was the thing when I was in high school. Everyone had a bang, so I wanted a bang. This is why I don't like hair in my face. Because it just reminds me of when I was in high school. It's swollen so big, it was like this big, okay? If you ever had a pimple that is in the middle of your forehead and you just look down, you know the feeling, girl. That thing hurts, okay? I had no idea how I got this because I wash my face all the time. I take care of my skin, okay? It was just too much. So I'm gonna use this, okay? This is from Makeup Revolution. This is Prime Bright Primer, and this has vitamin C and orange blossom. When I got to my mom's house, first thing that she saw was the pimple. Like, my mom don't believe in medication and all those things. Everything that my mom used is natural product. So she gave me some stuff to put on it, and the swelling went down. I don't want no mark on my skin, but girl, I popped it. I was like, listen, I'm not gonna be walking the street now with this big thing on my forehead. So I wore this hat. You know, it's my granny hat. Listen, I don't want no one seeing me with this pimple on my head. So I bring down the hat right here. I didn't care. It was cold, girl. I don't care. It was really bothering me for the entire time I was in New York. But I'm happy that my mom gave me something because to put on it, it went down really fast. So this is where we at with this big pimple on my head. So it looks like it's leaving a mark, but I'm gonna get something to take the mark out. You know, the mark will stay for a while and after it disappear. But girl, and it still hurts. It still hurts. You still have a bump there. So this is my New Year resolution for my skin. I think I'm gonna be trying out more skincare products. I just think that like my face is just, even though I drink a lot of water, I eat healthy, I eat clean, I don't eat meat or anything like that. So this should be clearing up, right? Girl, no. If you have anything that takes up marks on your skin, natural stuff, please let me know. I drink a lot of aloe vera and stuff, but I think I'm gonna start putting it on my face to see if it's gonna clear it up. Ooh, this is watery. Maybe because I didn't shake it. It looks really light here. Look at it. I think it's a little runny because I didn't shake it. Oh yes, girl, this is runny. Ooh. Okay. Very runny. All right. Let me use my hands. I don't think like the brush is gonna work too good for me. So let me just use my hands, girl. Let's just see. So let me know if you guys ever use this. Like I said, oh girl, not liking how it's just so watery. I don't think I had tried this one at the store. I think I tried the other one, which was a little bit thicker, but this one, I think using your hands is gonna be a little bit much better because girl, look, I'm not even kidding, like look. Oh, it says oil free. And girl, I shouldn't have put primer. Maybe I shouldn't have put primer. Girl, I wasn't, listen, my skin been really dry lately. This weather been doing it for my skin, girl. It's just too much. Now the shade don't look bad, right? I think this is my shade. If this shade don't work, there's no other shade for me, okay? So how was you guys' Christmas? My Christmas was really quiet. As I told you guys in my last video, I was going to New York, so that's what I did. And I was so scared to go to New York. So scared. This new COVID, Omaran, whatever that name is, girl. I don't even know. I don't even keep up with the news, girl. I'm just tired of them. I actually had 2 masks on. Having 1 mask is a problem to me. Having 2 is a headache. Last year I had COVID and it was really bad. I won't wish that on anybody. Like, oh girl, it was not a good feeling. And last year was really, really tough for me. So I definitely understand like people trying to be safe and stuff, because if you never had the COVID, you won't understand what I'm talking about. If you went through it, then you understand. And no one was social distancing, especially in the train. No one, I tell you, not a soul was social distancing. And they had the 6 feet apart by the train track. Girl, please, no one was doing that. I was doing it because we're so used to doing this over here where I live at, but not in New York. People don't care. If you never live in New York, you won't understand. People just go about their business. They don't care. I live in New York for a long time before I moved here, so I get it. I could deal with them. I was so scared, but girl, I made it safe there and I made it safe here, okay? That is the most important thing. But I had really fun with my mom and them. I think I ate too much because my mom was like, you need to put on some weight. You're too skinny. Now, when you're on camera, you look a little bloated, you look a little big because the camera is right in front of you, but my face is really small. Now, I use my hand because this is too watery for me. It is oxidizing, okay? If you guys take a look here, it's oxidizing. Okay, so I suggest that you try to find this if you want to try this. I suggest that you try it at the store. If you live in New York, I got this by the World Trade Center. That's where I got it. I might want to take a smaller brush and try to blend this out a little bit, like the little corners. This is a very light foundation, like very, very light day. I was expecting a little bit more coverage, but this is really light. It is a medium coverage. It did cover a little bit, not too much of it, but I still like it. It's not that bad, actually. It's not that bad. So I forgot to even mention how you open this. You have to like twist it to open it. So if you use me for a shade range, Suede 510 is gonna work. So let's just see how it works on top of products. It looks really good. It says it's oil free, but I feel like it has a little oil to it. I don't know, that's just me. I have dry skin, this is fine. But if you have oily skin, I think you may have a little problem with the oil. I really appreciate you guys telling me I have good skin. I appreciate it. I've been trying my best, but I think I need to do better pertaining my skin. It's just too much going on. Like, I love a natural look without makeup. That is just me. If you ever see me out in the street, you won't see I have makeup on unless if I'm going somewhere. But I like my natural look. But this foundation is gonna work for me if I want like a natural type of look. Sadly to say that I don't like this foundation. My face looks so bad. And I hope that you guys don't see it, like right over here. I don't want to come up close. So listen, it's not for dry skin. Okay? Again, I had really high hopes for this foundation. It's not for me at all. But in the beginning, it looks so nice. It may look nice on camera, as always. I told you guys, everything look nice on camera. It separates so bad under the eyes. It's just crazy. I try to, like, you know, make sure that everything is blended out. But whenever I blend it out, it looks patchy. That's the word I'm looking for. It looks patchy under the eyes. It looks okay. I like the way it blend out. It looks really nice. It really don't give a lot of coverage, okay? Because I shown you guys in the beginning how it looks before I put the powder on my face. And I won't recommend it for anyone that has dry skin. When you put it on in the beginning, it feels really soft. It blends out nice. It's been an hour and a half now, okay? I feel like it's really, really patchy as well. You're gonna see a little gold thing under my eyes. This is just from the brush. I had some little gold stuff on my table, so it picked up on my eyes. It looks really, really drying on my skin. It covers really good though. I love the coverage, but it's just not for dry skin. Like, well, it did say it's for all skin types on the Sephora website, but it's more for oily skin. I won't recommend this for my dry girls, and I'm being really honest. And you can see right here, even though I blend it out so many times, it just stick right there. It's not moving because it's so drying on the skin. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so when I upload videos, you will be notified. Thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next video. Bye guys.